can read. Shared my first reading, Axel the Truck, Beach Race. So we have Axel. He is a red truck. He is like a beach truck. He's like a mud truck because his wheels are so big. And the story is by G.D. Relly. Pictures by Brandon Dorman. Axel is a red truck. Axel has big wheels. I like to go fast, Axel says. My engine is loud, Axel says. Vroom, vroom, vam, vroom. Axel likes to have fun. He likes to get dirty. Axel says, "Look out, mud, glop, glop, gloop." Axel rolls down the road. He rolls past the town. Axel's big tires zoom around. His big tires spin fast. Zip, zip, zoom. Axel speeds to the beach. Axel races the waves. He races the fish. Honk, honk, bronk. Axel races the big trucks. Axel wins. Axel gets sand in his wheels. He gets salt on his windows. Crunch, crunch, crack. It is time for thunder wash, Axel says. The water in the truck wash sprays up and down. Water jets spray around and around. Bam, bam, slam. Look out, mud, Axel says. Here I come again. Zip, zip, zoom, Axel's big tires zoom around. Vroom, there, beep, beep. That was monster fun. So I hope you guys liked this video today. His name is called Axel the Truck, Beach Race. I love you guys. Bye.